Hi, I'm Avi Green, and I'm your instructor for the Personal Fitness Chef certification with Spencer Institute. You may be wondering what it's like to be a personal fitness chef. If you're curious, watch this. I have been a personal fitness chef for 3 years now, and yes, I love it. It's my passion. I'm also a personal fitness trainer with Nesta, and I've been doing that for 7 years now. My typical day, I don't have a typical day to answer that question. I have prep days for my meal prep, and those are basically the weekend and Monday. And then other days of the week, I am training clients. My main days are Sunday for shopping and then Monday for cooking. One of the most rewarding things about doing this work is when I get the feedback, when I get testimonials from clients. And not only are they enjoying the food, but they are feeling better. And it's really interesting because it happens after about a week to 2 weeks of being on my program, my food program, that they realize that they feel differently. Because the food is very clean, it's prepared in a very clean way with healthy oils and farmers market produce as well as organic proteins, they feel better. They feel more energetic. They feel more alive. I do feel like I'm always learning as I go along. I'm learning new things, new ways to help my clients and to cook for them and what they need and what they want. And it's very rewarding, absolutely. So one thing that is very lucrative and I enjoy very much is the fact that I can combine my certification as a personal trainer with Nesta, as well as my certification as a personal fitness chef with Spencer Institute, and I combine them together. Of course, my fitness clients need nutrition, and so they're all on my meal prep program. In fact, I just recently started up with a new family, and I'm training 2 members of the family, and I'm feeding the entire family. And so that's very lucrative for me, and I love it. So I was a stay-at-home mom, and I love to cook. I was always known for being hospitable and cooking for my family and friends, but I found a need to change my cooking style to be more healthy. And when I did that, of course, I experienced changes for myself, and I realized this is something special that I can turn into a career. I am so excited about the future because I started my personal fitness chef business about 3 years ago, and in the last year, it doubled itself. I'm planning to do the same thing this year, and I am on track to double my business again this year. So it's very exciting. One of the additional benefits to being a personal fitness chef is that my family also gets to enjoy this food and as a result have better health because of it. I have 3 children and my children actually love my food. So we eat whatever is left over from the meal prep and it's great. How do I get more clients? Well, referrals are a great way to get more clients, but also I use social media, which is free. I don't pay for advertising, but I do educational videos, I do entertaining videos, I'll interview my kids sometimes, and a lot of my business will come from my social media as well. I love to shop at the farmers market. I'm there every week. I've built friendships and relationships, and I'm supporting local farms and I'm supporting local businesses. So that makes me feel really good. It's part of my business that I want to do. It's kind of giving back, but also they in turn give back to me. They will give me discounts. They'll throw in a few extra avocados even, which is awesome. And so it's a mutually beneficial relationship. So I have to share with you some of my secrets. I really want to improve my clients' health, obviously. So one of the things that I'll do is I will make a sauce and include miso. Miso is a fermented food, which is very good because it has probiotics in it. And it's an umami flavor, so you can include it in things that you wouldn't necessarily think to do. But one of the sauces that I make, it's very simple. It's miso combined with raw honey from the farmer's market and fresh ginger. Anti-inflammatory, probiotic. It's amazing. It's like a superfood sauce, but it's also delicious. And I will paint that on salmon or toss it with vegetables and roast them, and it comes out really delicious. So that's one secret. Another secret that I like to use is, for my clients' health as well, is as a binder, instead of using flour or other unhealthy binders, I will use vegetables. So for instance, for my sauces, if I want to make my sauce thicker, I might put some potato in it. Or if I want to make meatballs, I will use vegetables as a binder, chopped up very finely. So that provides moisture and it helps hold the meat together without adding unnecessary calories. Sometimes people want to know, how much do I make doing this business? And of course, I'm not going to disclose the exact numbers, but as I said, I was able to double my income last year. And towards the end of last year, because of the fact that I grew my business, I was able to become fully self-employed. And that is something that I take a lot of pride in. I cherish it. I only work for myself. It's pretty awesome. One of the most rewarding things that's happened recently is there's a family who is buying my food for their mother who was recovering from cancer treatment. And they said that my food is the only food she'll eat. And that made me feel so good. I know the food tastes delicious, but I also know it's very healthy, and I really try to make it that way. So I'm very happy that she was able to benefit that way. Another way that I'm able to use my certification is I hold cooking classes. And I will either go to my client's home or have them to my home and conduct a cooking class. I charge per person. It's another revenue stream for me, and it's really fun. If I could tell you one thing, you have to try this career. I am so happy that I chose this certification and that I chose this career, and you will be too. You're giving your clients a gift of good health. You're taking care of yourself and your family. It's all up. There's no downside. It's wonderful. Now it's your turn.
Register below.